Welcome back to San Antonio Living. All morning long, we have been talking about how to keep cool during this hot summer, and we know a really good way to do it. Have a delicious cocktail. There's a new spot downtown. It's called the Pink Shark, and Alyssa is here to tell us a little bit more. It's nice to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Hi, of course.
I make everyone match me when they come on the show. I love it. I love it.
She called me earlier.
So I had a chance to pop into the Pink Shark. I think a lot of people did because you guys are right there on the corner where Nyosa was over Fiesta. Tell me a little bit about the Pink Shark.
So we're at the heart of downtown. We're at the corner of North Presa and Commerce.
Okay.
And we focus on cocktails. We also focus on, we have some food. We have what's called Shark Hour. A great happy hour, until 8 p.m. So you got plenty of time to get in.
And it's got super cute decor. It almost makes you feel like it's like a little spot right off the beach almost, except for it's in the heart of downtown San Antonio. Very retro, lots of good fun spots to take pictures too.
For sure, yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's talk about your signature drink. It comes in a shark cup.
Yeah, and you actually get to keep the shark if you come in and get one. Yeah, so it's some Bacardi coconut, Patron Silver. We also have like a pineapple coconut cream and some lime and blue carousel in there.
That looks so fun.
Very refreshing.
I love that. Okay, we're gonna whip up a couple of other cocktails this morning. If it's hot outside, you need to cool off, what would you recommend?
For sure, yeah. So we wanted to do some old classics that you're familiar with, just kind of reinvented.
Okay.
So right here, what you're gonna shake up is a clarified blue Hawaiian.
Ooh.
So
what does that mean, clarified?
So we use milk with, and it curdles with the citrus, and it gives you kind of more of like a different texture. And we get rid of the milk, obviously. You're not going to be drinking milk, but yeah. So it gives it a different texture, but it's still blue Hawaiian, just the old classic, And yeah, perfect.
Okay,
you're hired.
You're up. You got it good, right?
And yeah, so it's we want to focus on things that you already know. That
looks fun.
Yeah.
Looks like it's gonna glow in the dark almost. Nice little pineapple there for us. Love that.
There we go.
What's the trend in cocktails right now? I mean, are we keeping it classic still?
There people love the classics.
Yeah.
They like to see something that they're familiar with. And but they want to be surprised.
Yeah.
So things that we kind of can do different. What the artistic things behind it as well.
Absolutely.
And so this one right here
what do you have in there?
This is an old fashioned, but it's called the porch sipper. So it's a play on sweet tea. Something very Texan, something very refreshing. And so it's infused with Earl Grey tea, and then we have some black lemon bitters to get the lemon in there, and then also we have some vanilla syrup.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I like that.
It's the same ingredients as an old fashioned, just kind of reinvented, like I said.
Okay, I'm gonna give that one a try. That looks pretty good, right, guys?
Yeah. Let me know what you think.
Look at that, a little sipper. That's good.
Right?
That's really good. Okay, what do I ask for when I want this?
The porch sipper.
Okay, porch sipper. Very, very good.
The cool thing about that one is we partnered with Uncle Nearest Whiskey, and so if you purchase this, some of the proceeds will go to a scholarship for HBCUs.
That's fantastic. Okay, so what are the hours out at the Pink Shark, and when do you guys have music, all that fun stuff?
So we're from 2 to 2, and we will have music for you Tuesday through Sunday.
Okay.
On the weekends, we do like live DJs, so you can put in some requests and stuff. We are bringing live band karaoke, which is going to be very cool. And then during the week, we do more acoustic sets,
Okay. Well, stop on in. It is a fun little spot in the heart of downtown. Very retro, very cool. It is the Pink Shark. And if you come in and mention San Antonio Living, they're going to give you a little special something, right, guys?
Yes.
So check that out. Here's where you can find Pink Shark. They're at 203 North Presa. It's in the Tower Life building. Give them a call if you've got questions, or visit pinksharkbar.com for all those details.